Well, welcome to the first day of class lecture. I'm doing this on a very, very, very hot Thursday here outside of San Antonio. So we're going to go and week one is just an introductory lesson. We're just talking, getting to know each other. I do want to go over again that this is an online course. There's not going to be, we don't meet, there's no synchronous version to it, so you're going to have to stay up with everything on your own. Yes, you can email me, I'll answer questions, we can meet via Zoom, but if you don't think you have the time to devote to this, I'm talking about 2.5 to 3 hours a week to just devote to this class like you would in a face-to-face class. Then perhaps you need to talk to your advisor about other options, maybe taking it face-to-face in the spring. Okay, like I said, we're doing an introductory lesson today. It's just an icebreaker. So what you do is you'll find a photo that represents you, and you will insert, that's the word I'm looking for, insert that into the discussion box. And to do that, here's the reply, and you'll use insert upload image. If you have questions, here's a how to do it. So you will put that photo up there, you will talk about that photo, how it represents you, how it represents what you do, what you like, whatever you want to say about that photo. For the discussion part, you'll just respond to a classmate's photo. That's all you're going to do. Hey, yeah, glad you're in the class. This is going to be a big class. There's going to be at least 75 students in it, if not more. So this is just kind of a way for you to get to know each other. I'm going to set up some informal groups the first week of classes. These are nothing. I believe I explained in the welcome video that these are nothing formal, that you're not going to do group work, you're not going to do collaborative work, but if you want to have people to peer review with, to do these discussions with, to ask questions with, here are some people that are in this kind of informal group. And that is all. That's all for the first day. The extra credit, which we do Wednesday, you can post any questions you have about the course, or just post anything that you want to talk about if there's something special happening on campus. So that's all I have for this introductory lecture, and we will get started in earnest in week 2. Thanks, and hope everybody is cool right now. Bye.